In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Slack QR code. This quick method lets you sign into Slack on your phone without typing emails or passwords, and it works from the Slack desktop app or the web version. First, open Slack on your computer and make sure you're on the home view where you can see your channels. Look to the top left. You'll see the workspace or channel name at the very top of the sidebar. Click that name to open the main menu. This is the menu that controls workspace settings and useful shortcuts, and it's the one you need for pulling up the QR code. In the menu, choose the option labeled Sign in on Mobile. In some versions, you might see Get the Mobile app. Either option will lead you to the same place. When you select it, Slack will display a QR code on your computer screen. This code is unique to your session and is designed to securely hand off your current Slack sign-in to your phone. Now, pick up your mobile device. If you already have the Slack app installed, open it and follow the prompt to scan a QR code if it appears. If you don't see a prompt, you can usually use your phone's camera to scan directly from the home screen. Most modern iOS and Android devices recognize QR codes with the default camera. If your phone asks for permission to use the camera, allow it so it can read the code. If you don't yet have the Slack app installed, follow the Get the Mobile app path. Scanning the code will guide you to install the app and then continue the sign-in seamlessly. Point your phone's camera at the QR code on your computer and hold it steady. You should see a notification or in-app prompt that takes you to Slack on your phone. Confirm the sign-in if asked, and that's it. You're in the same workspace on mobile instantly. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure the QR code is fully visible on your screen. Increase your computer's brightness if the camera struggles to read it, and stand close enough for a sharp focus. If the QR code seems to expire, just reopen the menu and select the option again to generate a fresh code. If you don't see Sign in on Mobile, update your Slack app or expand the sidebar so the workspace name is clickable. And remember, treat the QR code like a key. Only scan it with your own device. That's all there is to it. You've just learned the fastest way to get and use the Slack QR code for mobile sign-in.